Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphones Redmi Buds 6S with your MacBook. You have to start by click on the Bluetooth icon. Now go to Settings. After that, open the charging case and press and hold connectional button for at least 3 seconds. Here we go, this LED light is blinking, so we should see it on the list. And now click Connect. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!